Today I'll be explaining you the topic of superposition theorem. Say I'm given a circuit. Okay, this is the circuit that you have. Fine. What is your job is, you are told that the circuit that is drawn is given to you. You need to find the current in 7 ohms resistor. This is the question that is asked you. Okay. Superposition theorem. This is a circuit. You are told to find the current in this resistor. Now, what is actually superposition theorem? If I have a look at this circuit, okay, your job is to find the current in a 7 ohms resistor. So the 7 ohms resistor becomes your load as a resistor. Okay. Then what will happen is, since your 7 ohms resistor becomes your load resistor, you are told to find the current in 7 ohms. So it becomes your load resistor. But if you check the circuit, how many sources? I have 2 sources. One is 20 volt source, one is your 10 volt source. So the current in this 7 ohms source will be the current because of this 20 volts and also because of the 10 volts. So whatever is the final effect of both these sources combined together, okay, that will be your final current that is going to be there over here. Now how to go about doing that is, first of all, when given my circuit over here, the resistor across which you need to find current or voltage, that becomes your load resistor. So in this case, your 7 ohms resistor is your load resistor. Identify the load resistor is step 1. I will write down over here. Identify the load resistor. Okay, that is step 1. Step 2 would be, for the given circuit, you assume the directions of currents in the resistors to be in the clockwise. So assume directions of currents in resistors of the circuit to be clockwise. Okay, so over here for my 5 ohms, when I say clockwise, the current will be from left to right. For 7 ohms it will again be from left to right. For 2 ohms it will be from top to down. So this is the flow of current in this circuit that is given over here. Now this flow of current is just an assumption. Okay. Now when I actually do the calculations and I understand the answer, current in 7 ohms can come out to be as plus 2 amperes. So what does plus 2 amperes will actually mean is, 2 amperes would be the current flowing in the 7 ohms because of the net effect of this 20 volts and 10 volts. And plus sign would indicate that this current which is flowing from left to right, whatever you've assumed this direction is true. If the sign comes out to be minus, you don't need to worry, the answer is still right. Minus meaning whatever direction you have assumed over here, okay, this direction is not right, but it is just the opposite. So the sign attached with the current will reflect to you on how is the current flowing in my 7 ohms resistor. So nothing to worry about the sign. Fine. Sign only reflects the direction of the flow of current in that particular resistor. Now, once you assume the directions of currents, okay, next what do you do is, you have to keep only one source in the circuit, that is the third point. Consider only one source at a time and calculate the flow of current okay, in a 7 ohms resistor. Okay, with that one source only. So here we consider your 20 volts. So that is, we keep 20 volts